Enough with this fake freedom nobody talks about. If boundaries don't work anymore, it means something's broken, not just around you, but inside you. When was the last time a boundary actually protected your sanity, not just kept you polite? Most of the rules people stick to aren't holding them back from chaos. They're holding you back. They're the line between what's comfortable and what's real, and that line, it's killing your freedom. You're out here grinding, building, leading, yet some part of you feels trapped like hell. Like no matter how much you push, you're stuck in a cage built from your own musts and shoulds. Ask yourself, when did your boundaries start feeling like walls? Because that's exactly what they are if they aren't evolving. Boundaries aren't just fences, they're tools. Tools that need sharpening and sometimes tearing down when they stop serving the goal. Your growth, your freedom, your damn life. If you don't redefine them, you stay stuck in other people's expectations, other people's fears, other people's versions of safe. Here's the brutal truth. The moment you stop questioning your boundaries, you hand over your power. And that's a slow death. The game's not about more rules or tighter control. It's about clarity on what actually serves you. You want freedom? Then stop treating boundaries like a checklist and start treating them like your personal manifesto for what you will and won't accept right now in this version of your life. Boundaries that worked 5 years ago or even last year are probably garbage now. They're old contracts you signed when you were someone else. You need to rip those up. Now, what does redefining boundaries actually look like? Step 1, get brutally honest about what drains you. Not what's inconvenient, not what's mildly annoying, what sucks the life and energy out of you. Write those things down. And then don't just say no in your head, say it loud. Clear, every single time, protect that no like it's your last breath, because it is. This is the soil where your freedom grows. Step 2, decide where yes really matters. Where do you want to put your energy, your presence, your money, your time? This isn't about being everywhere or anyone's hero. This is about zeroing in on the few things and people that ignite your fire, that push you to the edge of what you thought possible. That's where freedom lives, in fierce focus. Step 3, be ready to make people uncomfortable, especially the ones close to you. If your old boundaries meant keeping peace or avoiding conflict, guess what? That was convenience disguised as safety. Real change cracks windows, breaks some dishes. If your closest circle can't handle your boundary shifts, that's their problem, not yours. Stop apologizing for growing. Stop shrinking yourself for comfort. Freedom doesn't come in a velvet box. It comes with noise. And here's something nobody tells you. Boundaries aren't set and forget. They're moving targets in a moving world. Your business parts ways, your team changes, your vision shifts. So your boundaries need to be like water, not rigid walls, but adaptable lines you redraw weekly, monthly, yearly. Track them obsessively. Ask yourself what boundary feels tight, limiting, or outdated. Tear it down, rebuild it, own it. Finally, understand this. Freedom isn't about running wild. It's about owning your path, your values, your limits. It's not chaos, it's control. Control over what you accept, who you become, and how you show up every damn day. Freedom is a muscle. Boundaries are the weights. Boundaries. If you never challenge them, that muscle atrophies, so don't wait for permission. Don't wait for the right time, because it doesn't come. Start dismantling your old lines right now. Clear the space inside where you can breathe, create, and push further than you thought possible. Freedom's on the other side of those walls you build and break. No one else is going to do this for you. It's brutal, it's personal, it's yours. Redefine those boundaries or get ready to live a life someone else designed. Your move. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.